In this problem, you're asked to predict the next three numbers in the pattern. So we have the first four numbers of the pattern, which is 5, negative 15 over 4, 45 over 16, and then negative 135 over 64. Notice that three of those are fractions, and what I'll do to start this off is I'm going to set them all up as fractions. All right, so now I've written the four numbers in the sequence: 5 over 1, negative 15 over 4, 45 over 16, and negative 135 over 64. And I need to find the next three numbers in this sequence. So I look at the numerators and the denominators, and I can really start with either one. And in this case, the denominators are a little bit easier to work with. So I notice that I have 1, and then 4, 16, 64. So to get from one number to the next in the denominators, I'm just multiplying by 4 each time. So the next number is going to be 4 times the previous denominator. I should say the next denominator is going to be 4 times the previous denominator. So 4 times 64 is 256. So this fraction will be something over 256. And then after that, it'll be 4 times 256, which is 1024. And then 4 times 1024 is 4096. Okay, so we've got our denominator set now. Now let's take a look at the numerators. We've got 5 and then negative 15, 45, and then negative 135. So I can see that the signs are alternating. So the next term should be a positive. I don't have to write anything there. The one after that will be negative, and then the one after that will be positive. Now let's look at the numbers. 5, 15, 45, 135. That, I can see that 5 times 3 gives me 15, and then 15 times 3 gives me 45, and 45 times 3 gives me 135. So now I'll just construct the numerators by multiplying by 3 each time. So let's see, 135 times 3 is 405, I believe. Yep. And then 3 times 405 would be 1215. And 3 times that would give me 3,645. So now I've constructed the next three numbers in the sequence, and that's my final answer.